Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create split screen on Capcut. Let's begin by importing the videos or pictures you want to use. Once imported, add the first clip to your timeline. For the remaining clips, you'll need to add them as overlays, so go ahead and drag each one above the first clip in the timeline. Next, select the top video layer. On the right side of the screen, go to the Video tab and then choose Basic. From there, lower the opacity of the top video. This makes it easier to align the clips and see how they fit together. You can adjust their positions accordingly in the timeline. This part is based on personal preference. You can arrange the clips however you like. Once your clips are properly aligned, return to the top video layer and increase its opacity back to normal. With that same layer still selected, go back to the basic settings and scroll to find the mask option. Choose Split to activate the split screen effect. Now head over to the video preview window, locate the rotation handle, and click and drag it to adjust the angle of the split. You can continue tweaking the position of the dividing line by clicking and dragging it until you get the desired look. Keep rotating and adjusting until you are satisfied with the result. And just like that, you've successfully created a split screen effect in Capcut on your PC.